This is the new Xplore iX104XC6 rugged Windows tablet computer for very demanding applications out there in the field where it can rain, things get dropped, and so on. What I want to show you here is the very interesting dual mode touch / pen input system that Xplore has. It's fully automatic. You don't have to switch it to pen and then to touch. It just knows automatically which mode of input you're using. So I want to show you first how it works with the pen. This is your standard Wacom pen. It's an electromagnetic pen. It doesn't need a battery. It always works. And it's very precise. You can see how the cursor follows the tip of the pen. You can say go into the notepad, and we can call up the keyboard here, and now we can either type or we can click here and switch to handwriting input. Say enter and say this is handwriting, and as you can see, that works extremely well. The text goes on very smooth. And the recognition is actually pretty good. So let's get out of this, and now I want to show you how this works with touch. Just take my hand, touch, say we don't save this, don't save it. Say we're going to go into Windows mode, Windows, the Metro interface. We'll say photos, and here we have photos. Come on guys. You can see it's multi-touch. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, and the very amazing thing is you can use gloves with this. Glove. And you can see it still works. That's something that's not going to work with your iPhone or iPad or anything else that's using a projected capacitive touchscreen. Xplore is using a resistive touchscreen, so you have to push a little bit harder, and in return this works in the rain, and it works with gloves on. So go back to our desktop here. And now I want to show you something that's really interesting, and that is in classic mode, Windows classic mode. You generally want to use a mouse or the pen, because the checkboxes are just so small when you are in Windows. Try using this with your hands, and it's just a little bit difficult. So you can use the pen. Now, for the most part, systems like this that use the Wacom pen, they cannot use anything else. But with this system, you can just use any old stylus. That's like a stylus with a little nylon tip, totally passive stylus, and that works too. So if you want to use this instead of the Wacom pen, or you forgot the Wacom pen, can't find it, this works just as well. we are. I'll go back. And so basically what you have here is the best of both worlds. You can use a active pen, you can use your hands, multi-touch, and as a matter of fact, let me just show you how well the multi-touch works. We'll take this pen again, go into desktop mode, and let's say we go into good old Mac Windows Paint, and you can see you can just write down that with the passive pen. You can use the active pen, you can use your fingernail, and now I want to show you how multi-touch works here. So we say new, and then don't save, it's new, 2, 3, 5, let's close that again, do a new one, and now watch this, 10 separate inputs. That's pretty darn amazing. So you can run Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 on this machine, on this Xplore tablet, and you can use exactly the input method that you are most comfortable with and that works best for any mode that Windows has, be that the classic desktop mode or the new Metro mode, anything else. So pretty impressive. Try it out, it really works.